Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're doing another this to that, which is just my version of a get ready with me, but it's a very specific get ready with me. I've already done my skin today, which is not usual in my this to that. For my base products, I have Merit Complexion Stick, MAC Studio Radiance concealer, one and only Sephora contour stick. I used kind of like a combination e.l.f. loose halo and the e.l.f. loose HD to kind of just see what the finish is like. I think I like the finish. I did my bleached brows and I made a mistake today. So I had a very powdered matte base and I tried to highlight with the Lay Beige. I'm still getting used to this specific product and formula. And you can see it left a big patch on my blush because I did my blush first. You live and you learn. It's fine. That's what makeup testing days are for. We can't always be perfect. Speaking of perfect, my skin right now, I'm recording today because my skin is so good that this has to get documented. I have barely a blemish. I have a couple hormonal acnes coming in here. Other than that, like, my skin hasn't been this beautiful for many, many months. And I don't know how I got that. What is that? Okay, I touched something and it left a black dot on my face. Whatever. 3 eye palettes in front of me today. I have Viseart Cashmerie Charmeuse, Makeup by Mario, the neutrals, of course, and I have Pat McGrath Subliminal 1, and I'm just like eyeballing everything. I think I'm gonna do a like sickly look. I did a sickly look recently that you're gonna see on shorts pop up somewhere. I really liked how that turned out, so let's go in with another kind of look like that. I'm gonna go in to the Makeup by Mario first, and I'm gonna take the kind of neutrally yellow one, which is kind of like the Makeup by Mario version of MAC Omega. I can actually swatch it for you. This one is MAC Omega, and then the Makeup by Mario on the middle finger. It's ever so slightly more fair, but the MAC has more pigment in it. They're quite similar shades. Like on the eye, they're only a hair different. I'm just gonna use it to blank out my eye space. I recently got a kind of like a flat storage system from HomeSense, and I've reorganized how my makeup is. So if you see me looking around lost, it's because I'm relearning where I'm storing certain items now. And just blank it out. I'm gonna go in with taupe shade here on a smaller brush. Let's not be silly, don't be silly. And let's just get like a halo effect going. I don't know why I'm facing the other way today. I never face that way. I face this way. Ooh, much better. So silly. Look at me. I haven't filmed in a week and I've already forgotten what I do. Let's just take it by the brow. Something like that. Look. Cashmerie Charmeuse. I'm gonna go in with this, if I hold it right side up. This one is like more mauvey and cool than this one, which is more peachy. And I want that coolness to come through. Just going over those taupe spots, but not completely covering. I still want that pat taupe to come through on the edges. Let's take that big fluffy one. This is technically a highlighting brush, but I like how tapered it is on the top. I don't have the biggest, but I have such a big eye space that for a buffer to just go over everything, this little brush works wonders. Go in a little bit more after blending. Yeah, it just gives that like little bit of red. I've been rubbing my eyes, they're irritated. I'm going to take the same vibe shade, but in this Makeup by Mario, this central pink, and we're gonna do the lower lashes, but with the same brush. So if there's any leftover, it'll just add, but it's just a little bit lighter. We're not doing a smoky eye. I just want it to stay open, which is why I want a similar shade, but not as rich. See how it's like, it'll just tie in that look. I mean, I would walk out the door like this if I had like an eye gloss. I really want those highlighting sticks that just got released. They look so beautiful. I kind of want to lick them just a little bit. They kind of made them look a little bit lickable, like candy, just saying. Okay, I'm now going to take the cream in the Makeup by Mario on a very thin little brush. We're just gonna highlight the inner corner, just add light. Do we need light anywhere else on the face? Maybe at the start of the eyebrow. Go in here. A light cream or your skin tone shadow is really good at adding that dimension back into your face. And if your eyeshadow is light enough, it's almost like you're painting with foundation without it being a foundation shade, you know? I mean, that's beautiful. That's a gorgeous look if I did like really big lashes, but that's not the plan. Which do I want? Do I want? Let's go glitter. Let's take the pink shade, the pink one, the pink and blue one, all over the lid. Just gonna tap around. Gorgeous. Instead of doing a red waterline, let's do a pink. This is the ColorGram Aigo Sol Maker. You're supposed to use it to make that kind of a puffy under eye, but I really like it in my waterline. And this is the perfect dusty pink that just adds that sick kind of a tone to your waterline. Love that. See, I'm doing it again. I'm lost. I mean, it's so beautiful. I don't think I want to do anything else. What if I go in with a white? Crisp white. Crispy, crispy. On a brush like this. Barely tapping that white on the inner eye. Taking that really big blendy brush and just flicking that bottom edge to blend it in. Ooh, that's really pretty. And I think I'm just gonna quickly take, to get that sick look, I'm gonna add a dark circle just here, just to get another little layer of, I didn't get enough sleep. I need another coffee. It also brings back some of that human aspect, so you're not too pretty. They're still a little bit different. Yeah, I really like that. Eyelashes. It is raining a lot today, which I love because you guys, temperature check. This is gonna be my new thing on my channel. It's only 24.7 degrees and the humidity is at 20%. My eczema is so happy right now. I mean, my lips are still kind of like really freaking out. They had a big freak out this week. But they're getting better. Hopefully with 2 days of rain, my lips will fully heal. Ideally, I would go in with like a lash clash situation, but that mascara runs on me and I'm going out in the rain to do errands, so I can't afford to do that. I'm just gonna go in with my tried and true Lancome Lash Idol. This is not a waterproof formula, but for me and whatever my eye acidity is, I find this to be a pretty waterproof mascara on its own, which is weird, but some mascaras are like that. I need to open a new lash clash. I can tell by how this one is performing that she's done. That's why we buy backups. I'm just adding it to the middle of my lower lashes to just get that kind of central dolly effect on the eyes. And for lips, I mean, I kind of just like my lips glossy right now. Not like overall, but just for today because they're still freaking out from the eczema. Let's just line them with Greige, but don't connect. I'm gonna do a layer of Juniper. Top it with the Strawberry Ulla Henriksen. Just a little on the middle. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. this was a very quick this to that. I hope you felt inspired by this look. It's a very, very quick video this week, I fear. And yeah, I have to go run to the bank. I gotta wrap this up to catch my bus. If you liked this video, give it a like. Feel free to comment down below. I would love to chit chat with you down there. Feel free to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Both are Claire Cuckoo as well. On Instagram, I do highlights of my face and I always tag and mention everything that I use, and it stays in the 2025 highlights. So you might want to follow me on there. And yeah, that's the makeup look for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye.